What's going on, guys? In today's video I will be showing you how to use the Solana Wormhole bridge so you can swap assets over from Solana into Ethereum, into Terra, into Polygon, into Binance Smart Chain, etc. Now, the number one thing you want to remember is whenever you're doing bridges, you need to make sure that the token you're transferring, it will exist on the other side. Now, what I mean by that is you can't use tokens that exist only on one network and try to bridge them. So for example, if I was trying to bridge SAMO, which is the Doge of Solana, I can't bridge that over to Terra because SAMO doesn't exist on Terra. You can't trade SAMO on Terra. So make sure that you're using coins that can exist on both blockchains, or else you could lose all your funds. Okay, so to get started, we're just gonna make sure that we have the Phantom wallet installed on our extension and any other wallet. So I'm gonna transfer some money over to Terra, so I make sure I have my Terra extension as well. So I'm gonna go over to transfer tokens, and it's gonna ask me to select my wallet. I'm gonna connect. And here it's going to show you all the available balances. And if you don't see it, try to hit refresh and you should see your balances. I'm going to be transferring UST over to the Terra blockchain. So right now in my Terra wallet, I have $8.56. So I'm going to transfer this UST over. I'm going to max it out. So I'm going to send all the UST I have, hit next. And then target, this is the chain that you're sending it into. Okay, so I want to send it into my Terra wallet, so I'm going to choose Terra. And then it's going to ask you to connect your Terra wallet, which it already has. It connected to my Terra extension here. And it's just going to confirm the amount here. The bridged amount is $19.21. And then I'm going to have to pay transaction fees on the Terra network to redeem my tokens. Okay. So that's always important to keep in mind as well. You have to pay network fees on both ends. Okay, so I'm paying a network fee on Solana to send the tokens, and I'm going to pay a network fee on Terra to retrieve the tokens. Okay, so that's always important to keep in mind. If you're doing this for Ethereum, you have to have Ethereum to retrieve the tokens on Ethereum. Okay, so hit next, send the tokens. And it's just going to confirm that you're sending from Solana over to Terra. Confirm that. Approve the transfer. And thankfully Solana is super fast, so I probably won't have to edit this part. Okay, so now I'm just going to hit redeem. And it's waiting for a wallet approval likely to pop up. So I'm going to open up my Terra, and there it is. So I'm just going to confirm this on my Terra wallet. Okay, so it looks like I need to have some Terra in my account balance to accept it. So give me one moment, let me do that. Okay, so I just bought some Luna. So now I have some Luna in my wallet and I can redeem this. I can pay for the network fees on Luna. Okay, so the transaction was confirmed, and in a few moments my UST balance should update. And now let me go over to my wallet and it should be updated. There it is. So I've bridged the UST and it's been reflected in my account. Okay, so just to summarize again, number one, you want to make sure that the asset you're transferring can exist on both networks. So I sent UST, it works on Terra and it works on Solana. The next thing is you want to make sure you have enough for gas fees. So I made sure I have enough Solana to send the transaction. And then I had to buy some Luna to retrieve the tokens on the receiving network. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.